So excited to show y'all how to make kitty lip gloss today. Thank you so much, loves, for tuning in.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Always be sure to start off with clean lip gloss tubes, loves. Hey, loves. It is your girl, Lovely Angel Lady, of course, just disinfecting my workspace with some Clorox wipes. I am going to go ahead and sanitize my hands. I am using our hand sanitizer that comes with the Sandy Palms. I make that hand sanitizer and it smells amazing, okay? It smells really super sweet like vanilla and a dash of tea tree oil. But yeah, so we are going to glove up because why? Because it's important to make sure you wear gloves when you are making products for your customers. Of course, you have to be sanitary. Yes, honeys. So we have our gloves on. This is what I'm going to be using to put our oils and stuff in today. So starting out with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and now 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm not doing the 333 of everything this time because I'm doing a little bit different type of gloss, but we are going to use just a little bit. It's only going to be 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. That's the refined coconut oil. And now we're going to use our cocoa butter wafers, and they're deodorized. And we're only going to do 4. We're going to do 4 of those, okay? So yeah, so this is what it looks like. We're going to pop that in the microwave for a minute. This is my new microwave, so it gets extremely hot, gets the job done super fast. What we like, get it done. No shenanigans, no games. You heard me? So, okay, now y'all, we are going to go ahead and get our bowl, and we're going to be pouring our lip gloss base into the bowl. And of course, you know, I like the Versa-Gel from No Problema. And then we're just gonna use this like tongue depressor or large popsicle stick. These are actually really tongue depressors. So yeah, but this is rose, and we are going to add that first to the lip gloss base because it does not mix as well like with the oils like the pigments will do. So this is the trick. You just add it to the base to get the color and then add the oils. If y'all know anything about, you know, chemistry, science, if you've been mixing and making products, you probably have an idea. It's just like if you were using food coloring, because I'll drop the link for this product below, but I got like a set altogether. But yeah, it's safe, you know, to be used in food and everything. But yeah, it wouldn't mix really well with oils. So, but it does mix fine with the base, as you can see. But this is our polyisobutene, and we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of that. And I always tell y'all, this gives it the slip, the va-va-voom, makes those lips look saucy. Okay, so now we're gonna add our flavoring oil, and this also came in a set, so I will place all the links for y'all below. But got it on Amazon, passion fruit scented. Now we're going in with Odafin, just 1 tablespoon of that. It's our cosmetic safe preservative, and we're going to sweeten it with our organic monk fruit. Hey, hey! 0 calories. Got to keep y'all looking fine, if you know what I mean. So we're going to just add in, we're not going to end up more than likely using all of this, but we're going to add some in, mix, and then add some more mix. So yeah, you want to mix it up really, really well. I like to see, especially for jelly glosses, I like them to have that slip and not be too super thick. I prefer like nude glosses and pigmented glosses to be a little bit thicker than the consistency that I usually do for these. So yeah, I'm gonna add just a little bit more teensy drop, and we're going to mix that in, and then we'll be good. You kind of just have to test the products out, and you'll determine what it is that you like best and what works best for your brand and your business, and you just kind of go with the flow. You can adopt little things from me and other business owners, but yeah, you gotta do what works for you, boo. But we got this gloss to the perfect consistency that I was looking for. And so now we got this big old whopper right here, this big old sucker. This is a 150 ml syringe, y'all. This is the big zaddy of big zaddies. Okay? Y'all, I know I'm wild. So, anywho, we are going to be taking the pipette, of course, like we always do. Snip the ends of the pipette on both sides, and we are going to use some white electric tape, just a thin roll of tape, and we're going to take a little strip and secure that around the nozzle of the syringe, just to make sure it's not going nowhere, because this job is messy as can be already, honey, and child, you don't want it to be any messier than what it already has to be. And if you prefer, you can still use the regular size, use like the 60 ml syringe. If that works better for you, if that's what you're used to, you have to just do what works for you, especially if you're a beginner. But I like the larger syringe because you can put more, and I do put the gloss in the back instead of trying to suck all that up into the syringe. With it being so big, it would take me all day, and I probably would end up with tons of bubbles. But y'all, the tubes are so cute. I love these gloss tubes. I got these on Amazon too. Like I said, everything will be below in the description box, all the links. These are little kitty paws. Got these on Etsy. We'll try to include the links for everything for y'all, okay? Alright, my babies. Alright, sugars. So these are little hearts, okay? And this is, so it's like kitty paw glitter and heart glitter. And yeah, so first we're starting with the kitty paws. We're just dropping the paws and stuff up in here, dropping the little glitters in, and then we are going to go in with the gloss. So now we're gonna just fill that up, and this sucker is big, so it's a little crazier to handle. That's why I said if you're a beginner, you might not want to start with that. But you could get a toothpick or anything that's long and sharp. This is actually a piece to what I usually use, like when I'm filling really tiny lip gloss tubes. It's like a part of the tool that I actually use for that, and it's like the perfect thickness and the perfect length. So I'm just maneuvering the little decals. See the little glitter, the little paw glitter? I'm maneuvering those around just to make sure they show up in their position where I want them to be. Okay, and then I'm dropping in some of the little hearts. The little silver hearts, they're so cute and tiny, but you can see them. See? So yeah, that's what it's looking like. We're gonna go ahead and seal everything up. Let's get that popped in, and now we are going to put in the wand. Y'all, my boo Kristen, she loves cats so much, so that's what gave me the inspiration for these. But hi Kristen, love ya. So y'all, we are gonna do another one. With this one, I'm showing you if you take whatever, like your toothpick or whatever, and you just roll it around just really lightly in the lip gloss, it'll get a little tacky, and you can take the decals or the glitter and you can stick them on the sides, and that way you can kind of determine where you want things placed before you put the lip gloss in. And then that way when you do that, all you have to do is rearrange them slightly and most of the work will be done for you. You see that? So I'm showing you just a second way that you can do it rather than putting them all on the bottom. This way is a little easier. The lip gloss kind of acts like a glue to kind of make them stick on the side. Does that make sense? I hope so. Y'all feel free to comment below. Let me know if you think you want to try this, what you think about it. Is it cute? I'd love to hear from you. And please go follow your girl on social media, lovely.angelshop and lovelyangellady on Instagram. And I'm also on TikTok. But I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. But aren't they super cute? I'm not going to make y'all stay all day, but your girl loves you. Do something positive. Please subscribe and join the fam. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. Your girl loves you. Just showing you a little TikTok that I did. A mini tutorial on this gloss. So enjoy. And there'll be a few pics. And your girl's gonna catch you later. Love y'all. Later.